Can anybody tell me how to fix this? Front does not work sometimes, and the back does work. So if I was to put this on off, and then come over here, put this on cold, it will end up staying on here in a few. Once it kicks in, it will stay on. And can anybody tell me why it does this? I only have one AC running at one time. Okay, so there it is. That's good, and it'll stay on. But that's only in my bedroom. If anybody can tell me how to get the front living space to stay on, that'll be awesome. So if I were to go and move this to low fan, I put it on low fan, and that stays green, and then I'll move this to, let's say, low cool. So the AC is not running on the rear, just the fan is running. But over here, I need this to stay. So let me see if I can get that to stay up front. And that is low cool. Should I maybe put this up to 60? If anybody can tell me why the AC, it sounds like it's running, but the AC doesn't really kick in. You can hear it when it kicks in, when that shed shuts off and turns on to green permanently. But right now it's just back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. What am I doing wrong? Or if anybody can please tell me. Okay, so there, it kicked in. Now it shut off. So why is it doing that? Here, let me shut this one off completely. Boom. And that's just on low cool. I don't even have it on high cool or auto. So just to let you know, this is a 98 Fleetwood Pace Arrow, 36 foot with a trailing axle. I'm not sure if I said 98, but it is a 1998. It's in really good shape, but being in Florida and then North Carolina for May, it was really hot, so we kind of ran the AC quite often, you know, like almost 24 hours a day. But if there's anything that I can do to fix it, that'll be awesome. This is still just going back and forth. If anybody can tell me what to do, you can email me at info at, there, it just kicked in, I heard it, now it just shut off. So what is it doing kicking in? Anyways, email me info, info at Drop Zone Apparel, DropZoneApparel.com. So here is Drop Zone Apparel. You can just spell it DropZoneApparel.com. So info at DropZoneApparel.com. That'll be awesome. And it's still not doing anything. So what I've been doing was just shutting this off. I'm just trying high cool or maybe auto. Damn. Let's do back to low cool. I've been just running the back on auto. Put this up a little bit. So what does this mean? I just don't know, understand. So this is the rear is gonna come back on here in a second. Hopefully. Maybe now that both of these are on, probably not. Oh yeah, so the rear just came on. And it's on, it's blowing cold, I can feel it. You know, it's right there. So, and it'll stay on. It won't turn off. So what I've been doing was just putting this on like a high fan, and then that stays on. So if anybody can tell me how to fix this, I'd appreciate it so much. Alright, well, 6 minutes. Long enough video. Thank you.